Science fiction has long served as a catalyst for exploring pressing issues of our time, a theme that will be vividly brought to life by acclaimed novelist Kim Stanley Robinson during an upcoming public lecture at Missouri University of Science and Technology, Missouri S&T, scheduled for April 21, 2025 at 7 p.m. Robinson's talk, titled Imagining the Green Transition, promises to engage audiences on the critical intersections of ecology, technology, and the future of humanity. Robinson is perhaps best known for his influential Mars trilogy, which has reshaped public discourse around space colonization alongside recent works like New York 2140 and The Ministry for the Future. His narratives often intertwine complex ecological themes with deep moral questions, featuring protagonists who are diplomats, scientists, and scholars grappling with the realities of climate change and sustainability. Dr. Margret Grebowicz, the Maxwell C. Weiner Distinguished Professor of Humanities at Missouri S&T, expressed her enthusiasm about Robinson's visit, noting Stan is without doubt one of the superstars of science fiction. His work has shaped how my generation imagined Mars and the possibility of human colonization. The significance of Robinson's work extends beyond mere entertainment. It is rooted in rigorous scientific research and an acute awareness of global socio-political dynamics. The New Yorker has lauded him as one of the best living science fiction writers, reflecting a consensus on his ability to weave speculative fiction with substantial real-world implications. His participation in initiatives like the U.S. National Science Foundation's Antarctic Artists and Writers Program and as a speaker at COP26 in Glasgow underlines his commitment to addressing environmental challenges through the lens of art and literature. The upcoming lecture not only highlights Robinson's literary contributions but also serves as a platform for discussing how science fiction can inspire innovative thinking and problem-solving. Grebowicz hopes that Robinson's engagement will inspire attendees to approach global challenges with a fresh perspective, whether it inspires them to think on a planetary scale or adopt new methods of addressing complex problems. This event is part of Missouri S&T's broader commitment to fostering interdisciplinary dialogue around science, technology, and the humanities. As the university continues to position itself at the intersection of research and community engagement, Robinson's visit is poised to spark conversations that resonate far beyond the lecture hall. As society grapples with the urgent need for sustainable practices and innovative solutions to climate change, the insights shared by Robinson could serve as a guiding light for students, faculty, and community members alike. His visit not only highlights the power of storytelling in shaping our understanding of the future but also reinforces the importance of collaborative efforts in tackling the multifaceted challenges ahead. Looking to the future, the dialogue initiated by Robinson's presentation may inspire a new generation of thinkers and creators who will carry forward the torch of imaginative problem-solving in an era defined by rapid change and uncertainty. In a world increasingly in need of visionary solutions, the interplay between fiction and reality continues to promise transformative possibilities. In a world increasingly shaped by diverse educational methodologies, the debate surrounding effective math instruction has gained significant traction, especially within academic circles. At the forefront of this discourse is Robin Pimentel, a mathematics professor at the University of Pennsylvania who, along with Penn's physics senior lecturer Bill Ashmanskas, is challenging conventional approaches to teaching math. Their upcoming interactive science cafe will spotlight Pimentel's new book, There Is No One Way to Teach Math, which aims to explore the multifaceted nature of mathematics education and the varying strategies that can enhance student understanding and engagement. The Science Cafe, hosted by the Center for Excellence in Teaching, Learning and Innovation, promises to ignite discussions around the book's central premise, that there is no singular path to effectively teaching mathematics. This perspective is increasingly relevant as educators seek to address diverse learning styles, cultural backgrounds, and the varying pace at which students grasp mathematical concepts. Math is often seen as a rigid discipline, but in reality it is fluid and adaptable, Pimentel argues. By recognizing this, we can better equip students with the skills they need to navigate an ever-evolving world. This shift in perspective aligns with the broader educational movement advocating for active learning and student-centered teaching methods. As educational institutions increasingly adopt interactive strategies, the emphasis is placed on collaboration, critical thinking, and problem solving as foundational skills. The implications of these changes are far-reaching, potentially influencing curriculum design, teacher training, and the overall educational landscape. Meanwhile, in a different but equally crucial sphere, public health experts continue to address the ongoing challenges posed by misinformation surrounding COVID-19 vaccines, particularly mRNA technology. Recent discussions highlighted the stalled Senate Bill 177 in Kentucky, which aimed to prohibit schools and workplaces from mandating COVID-19 vaccinations. The bill, sponsored by Senator Lindsey Titchener, languished in committee, reflecting a broader struggle against vaccine hesitancy and misinformation. Dr. Jamie Sturgill, an assistant professor at the University of Kentucky, emphasized the importance of effective communication from scientists, stating scientists need to learn how to communicate their science effectively to ensure that the public can make informed choices about their health. This sentiment echoes the need for transparency and dialogue between scientists and the community, especially as mRNA vaccines initially developed to combat COVID-19 show promise for treating various diseases including cancer and diabetes. As the landscape of education and public health continues to evolve, the intersection of these fields highlights a critical need for adaptability and understanding. The ongoing discussions around math education and vaccine safety underscore the importance of fostering a culture of inquiry and open communication. Both Pimantle's insights into mathematics instruction and the public health dialogue surrounding mRNA vaccines illustrate that whether in classrooms or healthcare settings, a multifaceted approach is essential for fostering trust and efficacy. Looking ahead, as educational institutions and public health organizations navigate the complexities of their respective challenges, the lessons learned from these conversations will be vital. The future of education may hinge on embracing diverse teaching methodologies, while the success of public health initiatives will depend on effective communication strategies that engage and inform the public. As both fields continue to adapt, the emphasis on collaboration, understanding, and innovation will likely shape the pathways toward more robust educational and health outcomes. In a significant breakthrough in cancer treatment, Chinese scientists have developed a radical new therapy that employs the body's immune system to target and eliminate cancerous cells. This innovative approach, described as a tumor-to-pork strategy, involves engineering tumors to mimic pig tissue, thereby prompting the immune system to launch an attack on these disguised cancer cells. The findings published in the journal Cell highlight the potential of this method to revolutionize cancer therapy, particularly for patients with advanced treatment-resistant cancers. The research, led by Professor Zhao Yongxiang from Guangxi Medical University, marks a pivotal moment in immunotherapy. The team utilized a genetically modified virus to effectively disguise cancer cells as foreign pig tissue, triggering a hyperacute immune rejection response. This technique has yielded remarkable results in early clinical trials, with 90% of participants experiencing either halted tumor growth or shrinkage. Notably, one patient with cervical cancer has been declared clinically cured, underscoring the method's potential effectiveness against various malignancies including liver, ovarian, and lung cancers. As the study gains traction on social media platforms in China, it reflects a growing interest in the intersection of immunology and cancer treatment. By repurposing the immune response typically associated with organ rejection, we have opened a new frontier in the fight against cancer, Professor Zhao remarked, emphasizing the hope this presents for patients facing dire prognoses. Parallel to these advancements, researchers in the UK are pursuing a different avenue in cancer prevention. A collaboration between pharmaceutical giant GSK and the University of Oxford aims to develop a vaccine targeting precancerous cells. Professor Sarah Blagden, who leads the partnership, explained that cancer often develops over a span of 20 years or more, during which time it remains undetectable. The goal of this vaccine is to intervene during this precancer stage, potentially halting the disease before it manifests. This initiative is backed by a substantial investment from GSK amounting to £50 million over 3 years, and aims to leverage recent breakthroughs in technology to identify vulnerabilities in precancerous cells. We are fortunate to be at a point in history where we can begin to detect the undetectable, Professor Blagden noted, highlighting the transformative potential of this research. Meanwhile, in Israel, researchers have made strides in gene editing, reporting a 50% reduction in head and neck tumors in mouse models. This work represents another promising avenue in the quest for more effective cancer therapies as it seeks to employ precision medicine to tackle these challenging cancers. In the UAE, Forbasecare, a leader in precision oncology, has secured CAP accreditation for its genomics lab located in Dubai Science Park. This accreditation signifies that cancer patients in the UAE can now access high-quality genomic profiling locally, meeting international standards for accuracy and quality. Dr. Sudarshani Langovan, VP of Global Operations at Forbasecare, stated, "Our mission is to democratize access to high-quality genomic insights, empowering oncologists with cutting-edge molecular data to drive better patient outcomes. As these diverse innovations continue to unfold, the landscape of cancer treatment and prevention is rapidly evolving. The collective advancements being made in immunotherapy, vaccine development, gene editing, and precision oncology are paving the way for a future where cancer may become not only more manageable but potentially preventable." With ongoing research and collaboration across the globe, the fight against cancer is poised to enter a new era of hope and possibility. Researchers at the University of Texas at San Antonio UTSA are making significant strides in enhancing the reliability of artificial intelligence AI within the medical field. A team led by Assistant Professor Ko Yang from the School of Data Science has received a $35,000 grant to tackle the issue of AI hallucinations, instances when AI systems confidently provide inaccurate or misleading information. This initiative, titled Reducing Hallucination of LLMs for Causality Integrated Personal Medical History Question Answering, aims to develop AI that can deliver more accurate medical advice, thereby addressing a pressing concern in healthcare. AI hallucinations are particularly problematic in high-stakes environments such as healthcare, where incorrect information can lead to misdiagnoses and inappropriate treatments. A notable study from Harvard highlighted that individuals often preferred the medical advice provided by AI tools like ChatGPT over that offered by human doctors, underscoring the urgent need for improved AI reliability in medical contexts. Yang emphasized the lack of research directed at reducing AI hallucinations, specifically in specialized high-risk fields, stating, "This work has the potential to bolster trust in AI and encourage people to use it for a variety of important applications." To enhance the accuracy of AI-generated medical responses, the UTSA team is developing a model that can fact-check its own outputs. By creating a causal knowledge graph (CKG) which organizes information from trusted medical sources, they aim to provide AI systems with a robust context for generating answers. Yang explained, "We observed that AI sometimes gives incorrect answers because it doesn't have enough background information on medical questions. The integration of external data with users' queries is designed to ensure that AI can offer more contextually relevant and reliable answers, even in areas where it has previously received little training." One of the challenges encountered in this research is ensuring that AI systems select the most pertinent information from vast external databases. To address this, the team is also developing a filtering system that utilizes subgraphs, targeted data segments, to streamline the information retrieval process. This innovative approach not only aims to produce hallucination-free responses but also intends to create a benchmark database of verified medical question and answer pairs, providing a valuable resource for future AI research. Yang believes the implications of their research extend beyond healthcare, potentially enhancing AI reliability across various sectors. By reducing hallucinations and improving reliability, UTSA researchers are making AI a safer and more trustworthy tool, particularly in areas where accuracy is critical, she stated. As AI technology continues to evolve, the work being done at UTSA represents a crucial step toward ensuring that these systems can be trusted in high-stakes environments. While the path to fully reliable AI is complex and fraught with challenges, The commitment to advancing research in this area suggests a future where AI can serve as a dependable partner in healthcare and beyond. As the world grapples with the escalating demands for clean and sustainable energy, the pursuit of nuclear fusion continues to spark interest and innovation. This transformative technology, which harnesses the same processes that power the sun, is emerging as a potential game-changer in the quest for limitless energy. Recent breakthroughs in fusion research have propelled the field forward, igniting optimism about its viability as a sustainable energy source. Nuclear fusion operates by fusing light atomic nuclei to create heavier nuclei, a process that releases tremendous amounts of energy. Unlike nuclear fission, which splits atoms and produces long-lived radioactive waste, fusion promises a cleaner alternative, generating minimal environmental impact and no greenhouse gas emissions. The primary fuels for fusion, deuterium and tritium, are abundantly available, with deuterium being easily extracted from seawater, making the prospects for energy supply virtually limitless. On March 17, 2025, scientists at the French Atomic Energy Commission (CEA) made headlines by achieving a remarkable milestone in fusion research. They successfully maintained plasma for an unprecedented 22 minutes, a significant leap toward the dream of clean, abundant energy. Dr. Anne-Isabelle Etienne, who led the team, stated, "Experiments will continue with increased power," underscoring the ongoing commitment to refine fusion technology. This achievement is particularly noteworthy as it surpasses previous records set by international teams, highlighting the collaborative spirit driving fusion research globally. The CEA's facility in Cataract, France is a pivotal site for these advancements. It is part of a broader international effort exemplified by the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor ITER project, which aims to demonstrate the feasibility of fusion power on a larger scale. ITER, currently under construction in southern France, involves collaboration among 35 nations, including major players like China, the European Union, and the United States. The project's ambitious goal is to achieve a tenfold energy gain, producing 500 megawatts of power from an input of just 50 megawatts, with first plasma operations slated for the late 2020s. Despite these promising developments, the path to commercial fusion power is fraught with challenges. Achieving and sustaining the extreme conditions necessary for fusion, temperatures exceeding 100 million degrees Celsius, is no small feat. Current experimental reactors often consume more energy than they produce, making them inefficient for practical use. Moreover, the materials used in reactor construction must withstand intense heat and radiation, necessitating ongoing innovation in materials science. Emerging trends in the fusion industry are further fueling optimism. Artificial intelligence is increasingly utilized to optimize plasma control, enhancing the stability and efficiency of fusion experiments. Additionally, advancements in materials designed to endure the harsh environments within reactors promise to extend operational lifespans and reduce costs. The economic potential of nuclear fusion is substantial. According to StatFacts, the global nuclear fusion sector was valued at approximately $385.90 billion in 2024, with projections to reach $697.64 billion by 2034, reflecting a growing confidence in fusion as a viable energy source. Public-private partnerships are also gaining traction as collaboration between governments and private enterprises helps address the financial and technical hurdles associated with fusion research. While recent accomplishments such as the 22-minute plasma record represent significant progress, the journey toward commercial fusion power is ongoing. Key next steps include extending plasma stability to several hours, achieving net energy gain, and refining techniques to minimize impurities that can disrupt fusion reactions. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of fusion technology, the dream of clean, limitless energy inches closer to reality. In conclusion, the advancements in nuclear fusion research mark a pivotal moment in the global energy landscape. With sustained efforts and collaborative initiatives, the vision of harnessing the power of the stars could soon transform our approach to energy, paving the way for a sustainable and cleaner future. As we stand on the brink of this potential energy revolution, the coming years will be critical in determining whether nuclear fusion can deliver on its promises.